The Yamaha RD 500LC, also known as the RZ 500 in some markets, was first launched in 1984 as a two-stroke V4 sport motorcycle directly inspired by Yamaha's GP 500 racing motorcycle. It used a two-stroke 500 cubic centimeter V4 engine configuration with a YPVS system that was revolutionary for its time. With its aggressive body and savage performance, the RD 500LC became a street icon for lovers of racing bikes and high technology from the MotoGP tracks of the 80s. One of the most legendary versions is the Kenny Roberts edition of the Yamaha RD 500LC, inspired by the YZR 500 motorcycle ridden by American racing legend Kenny Roberts. This edition brought racing design and Grand Prix technology into a street bike, making it one of the most sought-after bikes to date. Despite its discontinued production, the RD 500LC lives on in the memories of its fans as a symbol of Yamaha's two-stroke era. Recently, Yamaha was rumored to be developing a YZR M1 MotoGP race bike with a V4 engine configuration, a significant move after years of relying on an inline 4. This speculation sparked hopes that Yamaha may be preparing for something bigger, namely the return of the V4 engine to the mass production line. If true, this could pave the way for a revival of the RD 500LC as a street bike with the same technology and engine configuration as MotoGP as they once did in the 80s. And now imagine the Yamaha RD 500LC making a comeback. The modern design of the RD 500LC has even been visualized by the Instagram account eighties Bikes, which created an interesting interpretation that combines the design DNA of the RD 500LC of the 80s with the aggressive silhouette of the Yamaha R1. In this concept image, we can clearly see how retro elements blend harmoniously with modern touches such as the aerodynamic body, updated suspension, and dual exhaust under the seat. This bike is not just nostalgia, but a reincarnation in a modern and innovative form. If a design like this is actually realized by Yamaha, then the world of street sports bikes could be about to welcome a new era of the legend. Yamaha RD 500LC V4.